Coming up is 2 ways that you can use unicorn spit to make a tie-dye look on a canvas. I really hope you enjoy it. Today, we're gonna do a tie-dye with unicorn spit. It was one of the very first things I did with unicorn spit. I'll link all the colors I used in the description. But it's a really fun thing, and I did a huge one outside, and it was probably one of my first paintings that sold using it. Make sure you shake everything up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Got a lot there, so just let that be. A little plugged. This is metallic, and I'm gonna put a light amount on. I just want it to be like a cool accent. Works. Okay. Now you just take some water. Whoa, do not do that. You need the a light spray is better. I don't know why it's doing that. But let's see. This is really nice when you have two people when you lift it off, but okay, now you try to get all the air bubbles out. Best you can. Just smooth it. Actually, it does help to flip the top a little. It just helps your hand move better. Get the sides, might as well while you're at it. Worried about this line right here, but I'll fix it a little bit later then. Okay, and now you peel and grab all four corners and lift up at the last second. Don't use the paintbrush, I guess. Just your fingers, just pat it. If you see a spot. One very cool unicorn spit tie-dye. Gonna try another one, make another video, less water. I have this big Ziploc, well it's not really Ziploc, but it's a bag like it. We have a nice Amish store, and they have really big bags, so I'm just cutting it to use for the top. All right. Now we're gonna try this again with a little less water. Now we're gonna try this again, and I'm not gonna add any water. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna go with a little less spit this time. Little white here. little bit of gold. A lot of times people do this on tabletops, and oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, let's see. Gather your corners, lift up at the middle. Ooh, not exactly tie-dye, but does look pretty neat. Kind of want to try something. I don't like this line exactly, but I think I need a plastic that's more like, doesn't have lines in it. So since it's like that, I'm going to do some experimenting. I did a little bit too much there. But my idea is to see if I can, you know, blend that in. There we go. I just have ripped paper that actually the canvas came in. Just trying to do it so light. Just choking.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me when I broke?
Just let it lay down on it.
When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset. Felt like Juliet. On my way to meet my lover. A dream uncovered. I long to belong. And we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose.
There, that looks pretty. It looks like a big flower field. It's all mushed up together. I like it. Get down here for a closer look. And with spit, unicorn spit, it stays very nice, very vibrant. And then I got this focus right here in the middle. It's nice. Huh. I meant to show you one thing and I figured out how to do something else. So that's how art goes. Have a great day.